Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and I am a cash stuffer here on YouTube. And today I have week 1 of September for you. Please ignore all of this. I went and did one of my favorite things, which is go to Ulta and just like have a swatch party. My nail held up strong. I will say minus this one. This nail actually hold on, let me see if I can focus this. No, maybe not. I tried. It like popped off clean and I just redid it on my natural nail, but the rest of them have held up extremely strong. But I will say I had struggled with this nail gluing down my tip when I did it. So just an update on the dip nails. They're going great. I think I'm going to soak them off tomorrow and do a new set. So anyway, let's get started. So we have our little pens here ready to mark our progress. And hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back and the wallet is here. All right, so we're gonna get, we're just gonna get right into it and boom. All right, before we do all of that, you know what it is over here on this channel. We light our candle every week. Herlinda, I see you, girl. She's like one of my best supporters ever for my channel. And she always comments and she always watches. So I see you, girl. Thank you so much. And guys, we're so close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. So if you find it in your heart to like, comment, and share this to your friends, I would be so grateful. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, so 75 into groceries. And then eating out. So these are going to get stuffed in my monthly, but we did have $3 left. So we're going to take that $3 and we're going to put it in here. And then we had $1 left in spending. And this is looking healthy. And that's our dollar savings jar. We're going to put this right back over here where you can see it. And then let's just get into it, guys. We're about to go to the fair today, and I am super excited to go to the fair because I haven't been in a long time. The last time we went, we took my niece, so this will be our first time taking our son, and we're super excited about it. What is with the bank not giving us our bills all facing the same way? I think that's so weird. Anyway, this is our high priority binder. She's Beautimus, linked below in my description. Thank you to everyone who has used my links, you guys. It means the world to me. So here's our high yield for our emergency fund. It is at $3,000, and that was always our goal to start our emergency fund. And now we're focused like crazy on debt, and so we are putting in $165 into our debt envelope, that's just crazy to me that we're doing that a week. It's amazing. And then now we have 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 595. So $495 in debt. That is crazy. All right, new car is getting 20. Here is our high yield savings for our new car. We are actively looking to purchase a car now. I just feel like I don't know how much longer my Jeep is going to last, and so better safe than with a dead car that we can't trade in. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 500, 6,000, 6,100, 200, 20, 40, 65. So 265. So $6,265. Wow, that was like, I don't know why that was so hard for me to get out of my mouth. All right, so $6,265. Let's write that down. So plus 20, and then right back here. I'm gonna move that back a little. All right, and Christmas is getting its usual 25. And we did a bill exchange not too long ago and put this money in the bank. So here's our high yield savings. I highly recommend Alliant. They are the best. So we have 500, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So $1,130. So we are on track to have 1,500 by Christmas. Yay! All right. So we have 25. Ooh, I like that purple with the gold. That looks pretty. These are those little jelly pins. I don't know how old you are, but I'm so old that these were like super cool when I was in junior high. And I saw them and I was like, I gotta have that. So I bought it. All right, so college fund is looking healthy. Let's do a little update. I always log in when I film my videos. It's kind of like my weekly check-in on this account. Come on. Oh no. Come on, do it. There we go. I was trying to get it to read my finger so I don't have to type it in. Let's see, while it does that, we have, oh wow. Yeah, so that account is now at $2,046.77. So we have 1,500, 2,000, and then the 46 is what it's earned, and then 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 76, and 77. So 2,077 plus 46. $2,123. I love having a calculator around. I just love a calculator. Like, I know our phones all have calculators, but like, there is something to be said about a good old-fashioned calculator. And this calculator is also linked below if you are interested. I like this one a lot. I also have like the metal mechanical one, and I like this one too, but the white one just matches this current background. But I'm gonna look for a Halloween mat because I need to wash this one anyway, and I would really love to have a little Halloween moment. Okay, so vacation is gonna get 20. So now we have 20, 40, 60. We did take out 20, or I took out 100 when I went to Kansas City with my girls. I had a great time. I made new friends, and it was just very fun. Everyone was very, like, it was fun and it was crazy, but it was not too crazy where like I was like, why did I do this? So $5 into family fun, which we're actually about to take all of this and go use it and go have some fun at the fair. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, and $42. So I'm just gonna mark it as 42 because I know I'm behind. All right, Pets Care is getting 5. And so that is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So $30 in Pets Care. That's always important to have. Oh, I guess, oh, I think our fish needed a filter. I could tell some money was taken out. And then date night is 15. And we are taking my son after we go to the fair. So we're gonna have family time, and then we're gonna have a date night because it's important to date each other still. So we have 10, 20, 35, 45, 50, $5. So 55. seems like these date nights are just getting more and more expensive. Nothing in car maintenance. Birthdays gets 20. You know how it is. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, this one's broken. I need to fix it. All right, so we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 50, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $258 in birthdays. And I know we need to take some money out of here because we bought some we bought a birthday gift for a random kid's birthday that we went to. You know, like sometimes you're just going to random kids' birthdays with your kid. One of our like friends is her niece and nephew, so we went. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 in miscellaneous. We may just take that with us too. I don't know. All right, so plus 10 is 80. And then personal 16. Yes. 16 smackaroos. All right. 10. Sorry, I bumped my little thing. And look how crispy this $1 bill is. Oh, so beautiful. So we have 10, 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Ooh, he is saved up in here. A little $50 moment. I don't know. He comes and gets money out of here whenever he wants because it's not illegal. Ugh. Where's my beauty envelope? Oh, it's just empty. It's there. It's just empty. That's funny. All right, and then into one of my favorite binders as well. This is also linked down below. This is the monthly binder. When I do my monthly paycheck, we always fill this up. So $10 to my mom. We love collecting money for 10, 20, 30. And then anything she wants, we just get her, which I just love doing that for her. And then AC repair is also getting 10. And that wraps it up, guys. Please like and comment this video. Help your girl grow to 1K subscribers. It would mean the world to me. So we have 51, 50, 20, 40, 200. Wait, no. Yeah, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So $260. And we will pay that soon. All right. This is our back to bank envelope, so we need to take that back and make a payment on our Discover card. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.